السلام علیکم پیارے بچوں، آج کی کلاس میں ہم پڑھیں گے سبحانی قاعدہ۔ پڑھیے سبق نمبر 8 مرکب حروف ما حرکات، لائن نمبر 6۔ زبر زیر پیش کو حرکات کہتے ہیں، حرکات والے حرف کو متحرک حرف کہتے ہیں، متحرک حرف کو نرمی اور جلدی سے پڑھتے ہیں۔ تعوذ، اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم۔ تسمیہ بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ غین پیش غو، لام زیر لی غلی، با زبر با غلی با، تا زیر تی غلی بتی، فا زبر فا، تو پیش تو فتو، با زیر بی فتو بی، عین زبر ع فتو بی ع، با زبر با، خا زیر خی بخی، لام زبر لا بخیلا۔ چلیے اب ہم اس کو رواں دہراتے ہیں۔ غلبتی فطبع بخیلا۔ چلیں اب ہم اس سبق کو اپنے قاعدے میں دہراتے ہیں۔ پڑھیے سبق نمبر 8 مرکب حروف ما حرکات۔ زبر زیر پیش کو حرکات کہتے ہیں، حرکات والے حرف کو متحرک حرف کہتے ہیں، متحرک حرف کو نرمی اور جلدی سے پڑھتے ہیں۔ تعوذ، اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم۔ تسمیہ بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ غین پیش غو، لام زیر لی غلی، با زبر با غلی با، تا زیر تی غلی بتی، فا زبر فا، تو پیش تو فتو، با زیر بی فتو بی، عین زبر ع فتو بی ع، با زبر با، خا زیر خی بخی، لام زبر لا بخیلا، غلبتی فطبع بخیلا۔ ٹھیک ہے بچوں، اب آپ اس کو یاد کیجئے، دہرائیے اور اس کے ساتھ ساتھ اپنے پچھلے اسباق کی بھی دہرائی لازمی کیجئے۔ صدق اللہ العظیم۔ فی امان اللہ۔
Assalamu alaikum children. Today I am going to explain you about pronoun. You have already done noun. Now next is pronoun. Now today I am going to explain you what is a pronoun. Word which used in place of noun are called pronoun. For example, he, she, we, me, my, they. Now suppose if I will say Sarah put Sarah's bag and set off to school with Sarah's sister. Instead of using names all the time, we use pronoun. That is he, she, me, they, my. Okay? I hope everyone has understood this pronoun. The word which used in place of noun are called pronoun. I have already explained you with the example. Now let's do some exercise about pronouns. Now see, Here is page number 45 from Early Dana. This is unit 7. Okay, and read the caption with me. Tricky words and pronouns. Read these tricky words with the E sound. Now see, he, she, we, me, be. These are E sound tricky words. More tricky words: was, my, you, her, they, all, are, him, us, it. Write in the correct word to finish the story. Choose from the box. First word is him, her, us, it. At the seaside. Here is a story about the seaside. Last week, our family went to the seaside for a picnic. Tom, my younger brother, stepped on a crab. Dash pinched his foot. Now, here, which word you have to use? It. We took him. Instead of name, you use him here. We took him to the doctor. The doctor told us to wiggle his foot. Then she put a bandage on him. We all thanked us and Tom thanked her. I hope everyone has understood this page. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? Now here is a new page from our early learner book. This is page number 60, unit 10, and what is the caption written here? Places. Places. Now which places we are talking about? At school. At school. Sabah goes to school. There are many things in her classroom. Now see, here is Sabah and she is standing in front of the school and she is saying, this is my school, this is my classroom. What you have to do, children, first read this caption with me. Draw a line to connect the pictures to the labels. Pictures are given here and the labels are here. What you have to do, you have to join the correct picture with the correct word. Suppose this is B-O-A-R-D, board. Here is a picture of board. Just match it with the correct picture. In this way, you will do the rest of the pictures with the correct word. I hope everyone has understood this page. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum children. How are you all? I hope everyone is enjoying winter, having good foods. Okay. Now today we are going to do a new shape and we have already done, let's revise the previous shapes. We have done circle, we have done triangle, we have done oval. Now today we are going to do square. Which shape is this? Square. Now see, all four sides are equal. This shape is called square. Now when you open this book, page 21, you will see it's an empty box here. What you have to do, you have to write date here and day here. Okay. After writing date and day and HW, you have to draw a square with the help of your mummy. Okay. And then here is the spelling written S-Q-U-A-R-E. You have to follow my handwriting. I am writing for you again. You do not write A just like this, okay? Just write as you were doing in the classroom. Now, under my S, you have to write S. Make Q under Q. Make U under U and read the spelling S-Q-U. Are you all reading and writing with me? Good. Under my A, write A, S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Again, S-Q-U, repeat the spelling and write with me. S-Q-U-A-R-E square. Okay. Now finish it till the last box, and after writing the shape square, color this shape with any light color you like. Okay. I hope everyone has understood this page. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum children. Now this is your mathematics book, More for Us, and open page number 46. Okay, and then write date and day here, and write HW in the center here. Okay, what is this? Shape. Now what they are saying, read the caption. Color the picture and write the names of shapes. What you have to do, children, you have to see the shapes, picture of shapes here, and in front of each shape you have to write their names. This is an exercise. You have to just revise all the shapes which we have done before. Okay, I have already written the shapes in front of each picture. You just hold the pencil. I am repeating the spelling. You just write with me. Okay, now which shape is this? Triangle. T-R-I, try. Are you writing? Okay. A-N-G-L-E, triangle. Which shape is this? It's a circle. Now write C-I-R, sir, C-L-E, circle. Which shape is this? S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Rectangle. Here is rectangle, R-E-C-T, rect, A-N-G-L-E, angle, rectangle. Read what are you writing. Okay, now which shape is this, children? It's oval, O-V-A-L, oval. After writing down the names of shapes, you have to color this picture. You can choose any color what you like. Okay, now I keep here some colors. You can use these also, or you can use whatever you like. Okay, I hope everyone has understood this page. Thank you.